The Chicago Manual of Style provides citation advice for students in the humanities and social sciences. This video provides a quick introduction and overview of this style guide. First of all, Chicago is known primarily for its notes and bibliography system, where writers use detailed footnotes or endnotes in combination with a final bibliography. For writers in the sciences, Chicago does provide an author date citation style similar to APA, but that will not be the focus of our tutorials. Also, sometimes we will follow the more student-friendly advice provided in Kate Turabian's A Manual for Writers of Research Papers, Theses, and Dissertations. This applies especially to the rules for formatting an essay. What is unique about Chicago is its use of footnotes, or sometimes endnotes. Whereas MLA and APA require writers to cite their sources right in the body of the text, Chicago keeps the text free of clutter. Most bibliographic information is provided in the notes. This way, it is possible to provide a detailed citation every time a source is mentioned for the first time. To create a note in Microsoft Word, go to the References tab and click on Insert Footnote or Insert Endnote. The first time you cite a source, you will need to give detailed information, as in this citation of a book. Information in a footnote is separated using commas. By contrast, in your bibliography, at the end of your paper, you will want to use mostly periods. Now the author's name is inverted, the publication information for a book is no longer in parentheses, and the page number does not have to be mentioned. After you have cited a source in a footnote, subsequent citations can be much shorter. Often you can do with the author's name, a shortened version of the title, and the page number. In such cases, Chicago used to recommend writing IBID, meaning the same, but the current style guide disapproves of this abbreviation. Alright, time for a few final notes. With our APA and MLA citation guides, we have kept in-text citation separate from final citation in the Works Cited or References page. In our tutorials for Chicago style, we'll use a different approach. For each type of source, periodical, book, etc., we will simultaneously provide examples of both footnotes and bibliographic entries. That way it is easy to see how you would cite a source in both the notes and the bibliography. Finally, we do not cover every last type of citation. In particular, we have left out legal sources for which we recommend you consult one of the texts listed here. Also, in addition to our tutorials and citation, we provide a few additional resources that you might find handy. We cover the Chicago essay format in our course on essay writing, and we deal with quoting in our course on integrating quotations. And that's a quick intro to the Chicago Manual of Style.